originals band in Dorset in Weymouth, and that's wrong. Drummer from I'm talking. Hello, I'm being invaded by a Frenchie. Are you coming up or what? No? You're going to stand there snorting at me. Hi, I'm Jason Bird. Come from Portland in Dorset. Play for a originals band called Jambo Rain, and also a covers band called Static Flight. So I've been playing for, I don't know actually. Started when I was 12. I had a really hard jazz teacher. Joined the military at 16, as you do. A reasonable length military career. Didn't play. Came out. Got in with some bands. Stopped again. I actually had a break for about 15 years. And got back into it. So 3.5, nearly 4 years ago, met up with the Static Flight lads. Shortly after that, had a bit of a nail-biting audition and joined Jambo Rain. Great bunch of guys, the music's brilliant, absolutely love it. Love playing with both bands. Every song is different. As you imagine, covers band is a fair eclectic mix. But the Jambo Rain stuff, again, all original stuff, every song is different. It's been a long, hard slog learning all the back catalogue. If I'm not working, I'm gigging, I'm rehearsing. As you'll see from the video I'm about to post up, it's from two of my favourite songs from Jambo Rain, Waiting for the Cavalry, and another song called Radio Low. Pretty much segue into each other, good fun. Collision sticks I'm using, 5As. I might experiment with some thicker ones, longer ones, I'll give them a go. So first try with these last night. I'm a bit of a relaxed heavy hitter, and they've done all right. I'm pretty impressed with them. To be fair, normally my older ones, I'm not going to say the name of the company, would have ended up having the tips chipped away, big chunks taken out, and these have done all right actually. They've got a nice weight to them, nice feel. Normally with other makes, other brands, you can feel a definite difference in the weight. So for me, I normally work out which one feels slightly lighter in the right hand or slightly, heavier in the left hand. Well, I didn't have to. They pretty evenly matched, so I'm impressed. It's very good. Anyway, enjoy Waiting for the Cavalry. Enjoy Waiting for Radio Low. It's very raw camera footage from this iPhone. It's not edited. It's not faffed with. It's just pure, unadulterated, raw audio sound. And me and Kiki will see you later. Say bye, Kiki. Bye.
Good.